Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand functions in C program. So as you can say, a function is a block of code that performs a specific task, or you can say it is a set of instructions as per our requirement. So there are two types of function, one is standard library function and another is user defined function. Standard library functions are built-in library function, that means we can use them in through the program like printf and scanf, or let's if you want to make a square root, then you can have a mathematical function as sqrt. So these are the built-in library function, while creating functions as per your requirements is nothing but user defined function. The working of user defining function will take place as you have to declare the function prototype here by giving the data type, and then inside the program you can call your function in this way. So we will see today how we are going to make a function of two numbers addition. So we'll make a function today of addition. So let's start with writing today's code with hash include stdio.h. Now here I am going to define my function as, let's take a name as add numbers. So this is my function, and here I am providing prototype or parameter as integer a and integer b. Okay, got run right now. Yeah, so integer a and integer b. So this way I have written a function prototype. My function name is add number. So now I am going to provide a semicolon. After that I am going to write down our integer main function, our normal function. Now inside integer main function, first of all we'll declare some variables, that is two numbers n1, n2 and some variable where we are going to save the addition result. So first of all we will ask the user to enter two numbers. So I am going to write down printf enter any two numbers, so that we can add those numbers. So enter any two number, and then I'm going to use a scanf to get that number or to read that output from user by using %d space again %d. Yeah, sure, %d space %d, and then we will assign those numbers to our n1 and n2. So these are our numbers, so we'll use ampersand n1 comma ampersand n2. So this way we have used those, and after that we are going to actually perform sum, but here we are going to use a function. So here we are calling our function because we need my function here, so that's why I'm calling my function add number, and then we'll write down n1 comma n2. So we have to use this function on these two variables. So this way I have called my function. This is called as a function call. Now we are printing the result, so we'll use printf. Inside bracket we'll use sum is nothing but the %d comma sum. So this way we have printed our resulting statement, and in the main function we are providing return 0. So here we have written with the integer main function. Now after that we are going to write down our function definition and our function body. So here I am starting with integer, and we are giving the name as add number. This is the nothing but our name of our function, and inside that I am giving integer a and integer b. These are our parameters. Let's start with a new bracket. Now here I am writing integer result, one more variable, result variable, and result will be nothing but the actual addition of a plus b. This is called as passing parameters to the function. And a return statement, in a return statement we like result to have, because in this function a return type is nothing but this result. So this way we have written, this is called as passing parameters to the function that we have used here. So now let's save this file as ABC dot C. You can give any name of your choice and then just build it. Now if build finished with 0 error, let's run it. So I'm giving 5 and 6 and I'm pressing enter. So here you can see sum is 11. It is actually showing you sum. We have done a simple program of addition, but the difference, or we can say the addition program, is done by the function today. So we have created a function here. Now here we have written the function prototype. Here we have called our function, and below here we have written a function definition and function body by passing arguments to the function. I hope you understood a user defined function here. Thank you.